welcome to the vlog for this week. So yeah, I'm actually starting this vlog late, and the week is actually Friday the 13th. And before I forget, if you're just stopping by or new to my channel, hi, I'm Tati. You might as well go ahead and subscribe if you like what you see, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back, and welcome to this week's vlog. So we went to the mall today. Well, I went to class, obviously. My first class got canceled. So we went to the mall at about 3. We went to the mall at about 3 something. So yeah, and I'm gonna show y'all what I got. Okay, so yeah, today I did go to the mall twice. I went to the mall on Tuesday, I think, and then I went to the mall today. So I bought these heels. They were on sale. These were actually the, what's it called? These were actually the display. This was the display because this was the only one left, I guess, well, in this size. So I had to get the displays, and they're just some heels. They're not too tall, but I bought them for the all white party. But I'll tell you about that later. So I got 10% off, so it was like 30 something. It was still 30 something, but I can't remember the full price. I bought these. Oh yeah, I bought these from Belk's, and they're by Madden Girl. I bought these were $12.90, and I got them from Forever 21, and they're really cute. Then I bought this dress here, which is really cute on. It's not that long, and it just has these straps. It's like it's kind of like a straight neck, a square neck or whatever. So yeah, I bought that, and this was $12.50, and I got it in a size small. So yeah, that's what I got. Okay, so yeah, this dress here, they're both very similar, except for this one has a line here, and this dress is shorter. This dress is longer. It goes like a little bit under my knees or to my knees, depending on how I wear it. It comes like in the middle of my thighs. This one comes to the middle of my thighs. So this one was $14.90, and this one was $9.90, and I decided to wear this one. I don't think I'm going to return this one though. I think I'm just going to keep it and wear it to another party, like I guess next in the fall or whatever, because I doubt I'll wear another white dress, or either just during the summer, I don't know. Or like on a date or something, I'll just figure out what to wear this. I just really don't feel like taking it back. Now I did order a dress from Misguided, which ended up not fitting, and it honestly looks like the other short dress over there, but longer. And this one has like the ribs in it or whatever, or ridges, I don't know, whatever they're called. Yeah, I got it too big. I got it in a size 6. I should have gotten a 4. So yeah, I'm just gonna return that. I don't know how much it cost me, but yeah, I'm gonna return that next week. So yeah, currently this is how my room looks. Honestly, it's a lot. Like, I just don't understand. I don't know why I can't keep my room clean. I promise I cleaned. I cleaned up today. I promise I did, but it just got back to looking like this. This is actually clean laundry. So yeah, I don't know. But yeah, so the all white party is tomorrow. I'm gonna be wearing this, the heels, and a jean jacket. If I take pictures, I'll insert pictures now. Yeah, so it was cute, right? I know. I'm actually gonna clean my room, and I have like 2 assignments I need to do, but I'm procrastinating. I'm not gonna lie, I'm procrastinating. I should have been did it. If I have the energy, I might do it tonight. I have the energy to do it, but I just don't want to do it. That's just how it goes. It's due Sunday. It's due Sunday. I need to do it now, so that way tomorrow I don't have to worry about it. But I think I'm just gonna get up early in the morning and do it tomorrow. I'll probably be saying the same thing Sunday, and I'll be doing that assignment Sunday, trying to get it done and in before 11:59. But yeah, I'm just gonna clean up my room a little bit. So yeah, I just got done cleaning my room, as y'all just saw, and this is what it looks like now. I just threw my covers back. That laundry, that laundry right there, yeah, that's not getting done. So yeah, my room is clean. This is what I call clean. So yeah, that's just what it's gonna look like. So yeah, I'm gonna call it a night, and I will see you guys tomorrow.
Never let me down. Oh. look like. They so pretty, bitches wish they kiss like.
Hey y'all, it's the all white party. I ain't got an all white, but it's okay.
Is it really okay?
Yes,
I'm not even really.
Okay.
You serious?
Y'all, I'm back for the party. I'm back for the party, and y'all, I got some stories to tell. I got some stories to tell. I'm not going back to no party. I'm not going back to no party. I'm lying. I'm gonna go back to a party, but I don't. Y'all, stop looking at me. Y'all, too much. Y'all, too much done happened. That's my boyfriend on FaceTime, y'all, but too much done happened to me tonight. And let me tell y'all what happened. So the way the party was set up, it was like, it was weird, honestly. But they had like these little stairs out of wood or whatever up in there, and that's to get up to, like, I guess the VIP booths, but it wasn't really no booth. It was like couches, whatever. Okay, so we dancing over there by it, not on it. We dancing by it, and first this guy tried to dance with me. I'm like, nah, okay, nah. Like, then I go and sit down because my feet hurt. We had to wear heels. My feet hurt. He comes sit beside me, and I'm like, nah, I ain't trying to talk to him. I'm trying to get him, you know, a little cute, so I don't have to embarrass him. So I don't have to embarrass him. And he was like, you must got a boyfriend or something. I was like, yeah, I'm married. He was like, where your ring at? And I was just like, hey, don't worry about that, you know, don't worry about that. That's my business. Where my ring at, okay? It's at home, shoot, wherever. Don't worry about it. So, okay, I'll just get up when I leave. So first that happens. I couldn't even sit down in peace, let my feet rest. Then I'm dancing, and he, the same guy on the stairs, the same guy hit me on top of my head. I'm glad my wig is secure, because I promise you that wig would have been gone. That's how hard he hit me on my head. And I was just looking at him like, and then he looking at me. Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, okay. So I had to leave. I had to walk away because I got mad because, like, how you gonna hit me on top of my head though? I'm trying to be cute and you trying to hit me on my head. Alright. Then a little bit later, I'm back by the stairs again. I should just stayed away from the stairs. I'm back by the stairs again, and this guy grabs me by my waist. And I'm trying to, you know, move forward, you know, to give him a little hint. Then he started grabbing my jacket. And I'm like, bruh. So I'm doing like this. And he talking about, come here, girl, come here. I got myself up. But seriously, like, I'm not even being dramatic. Like, that's how it was. And I'm looking at him like, bruh, what is you doing? Oh Lord, yeah. So I done got my shoes dirty. Yeah, It was too much. I got a headache. Then after that, I just had to go. I had to get some air. Because the girl couldn't breathe. That's how many people it was in there. They was taking up all the oxygen. And girl couldn't breathe. So, ouch. That's how that went. I got a corn on my pinky toes. Like, yeah. I got a corn on my pinky toe. And all that. Like, tonight was just not a night. And I'm tired. We went to cook out. I got me a barbecue tray. I don't even feel like eating it. I should just got a cheeseburger tray so I can save it tomorrow. But usually I don't get barbecue because to me it tastes like blood. But I tried this before and it's really good. So I wanted something different, so I got it. But yeah, so I'm gonna call it a night. I got a headache. This is why we're doing this vlog. So yeah. Like this video, give this video a thumbs up, and if you also like what you saw and you want to see more, consider subscribing, and I will catch y'all in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.